You gonna talk to us? There you go. You like that? I'm playing with my toy, smiling at myself in the mirror, talking a little bit. Oh, she got it. Rowan is about 6.5 weeks. She'll be 7 weeks on Thursday, and it's Tuesday. Yeah. She's a happy baby today. Aren't ya? Hit it again. Smile one more time for us. If not, okay, say bye-bye.